work hard to give everyone the very best, and when we hear we've made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. Here's a fantastic review about just one of many happy experiences. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. And we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is our biggest priority, and we'll work very hard to get it. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.